For the repair of the Nakakita pressure transmitters, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add some pressurized air as power supply and a temperature calibrator. By manipulating the temperature input signal, we see that the unit responds accordingly and outputs the pressurized air in kilopascals as seen on the right side of the unit. It is now clear that the pressure transmitters are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.